Hey everyone, welcome back to Editing Basics. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add cloud to picture on Picsart. So let's begin. First of all, open your Picsart application. Now you can see this plus icon on the middle of this Picsart. Tap on this to open a new project. Now here on the right top, you can see this search bar. Tap on it and search cloud. So when you search cloud, you'll be available with different type of clouds. Tap on one which is free, so it will take some time. You even have to watch an ad in order to get the cloud image. And now press on this close button. So when you do that, then only you get the cloud image. So here you can add your own image and edit however you like. So this is how you add cloud into your own picture. So thank you for watching this video. I hope this video helps you.